rivers, in the form of oceans, in the form of sea. So many things has been written over there. Along with there is in a forest, along with there is in a types of soils, along with the different kind of, I said that, animals, human being, their races, everything is written. So in the geography and how do they are interacting, that we have to also study. You know that in the first paper 1 there will be physical geography paper 1. In the paper 1 section A will be for physical geography. In this physical geography we have to see geomorphology, and you know that geomorphology means, I said geomorphology, we have to study the different morph means shape on the earth's surface. How do they have been formed? What is the significance of those landforms? And I said that how do the human being is interacting with them. At the same time, we'll have to see in the paper 2 that there is I said economic geography. So here we have to see that with the help of this geomorphology, how we are having a benefit for the best human society, best animal on the earth surface, how do they are helping geography, helping what is an economic aspect for the, I said that, human being. So we have to correlate with this one, we have to study the economic geographical aspects of what is interaction, whatever it is written on the earth surface. Thereafter, if we have to see, like there is a climate, and the climate is the best, if you can say the calligraphy, best thing which has been written on the earth's surface, it is with the help of climate. You know that the rainfall which is happening, which is very much required for us. There is a fog, it is happening, there is a cyclone, it is there is a temperate cyclone, there is a tropical cyclone, and different kind of thunders and different phenomena which are on the earth's surface happening by the climate. Again it is writing on the earth's surface. Because of that there is a glacier, because of that there is a rivers, because of that there is a lakes. So we have to study in better way, and how again with the help of this one, in the paper 2 we have to also study one in the contemporary issue. There is a first, second, third, fourth and fifth. In the paper 2 section B there is a contemporary issue, there is an interlinkages of river, India. There is a northern Himalayan rivers and peninsular river. Again, when we are studying it, we have to also understand the river system, how it has been developed. The river system in India which has been developed, we have to understand with the help of geomorphology and then climatology. And how it is affecting, I said that interlinkages, and at the same time it is affecting one topic is there. I said that in the paper 2 there is a settlement. How do this water available on this earth's surface? Can you tell me in Bengal which kind of settlement will be there, or in Kerala which kind of settlement will be there? One topic that it will be there, I said that compact or dispersed settlement will be there. Tell me, in West Bengal, because of this water, in West Bengal and Kerala, West Bengal is in India, if we'll see, this region is receiving around 150 to 200 centimeter rainfall, and then Kerala is receiving around 200 centimeter, 300 centimeter rainfall. Both are having good amount of water. So which kind of settlement that it will be there? I said dispersed settlement. I said that if we'll go over there, there is and at the same time we have to study the geomorphology of this West Bengal. Geomorphology of the West Bengal, if you are understanding, you know that it is in a Raj Mahal, this side is Raj Mahal hills and this side is Garo hills, and it has been broken at the time of formation of India, at the formation of Himalayas. And there I said that in this one Ganga, Brahmaputra have deposited their sediments, and that has become the lowest. And if you have to study, you will have to study the Davis theory. That is enough. I said that youth, mature, and then third, old stage. And in the old stage the land is like this, and here the land is like this, very gentle slope. Or in this case, if the slope is very gentle, if the slope is like this, the river will move fast. If the slope is like this, slow. But if the slope is like this, the river will not move. Accumulation of water. And if the accumulation of water will be there, means water will be large in amount in the river like this. And if in the river the water is very high, it is not able to move, then the nearby this water will also what? Translocate. The water table will be high. In the nearby region, West Bengal, and generally when the water comes more, generally it causes flood. And when it causes flood, this is in a fertile plain. Rice is happening in this region. That is, rice is happening means we have to see what is an economic geography. Rice is happening if we have to see the paper 2, it is an agriculture geography. Paper 2, section A, agriculture geography. And at the same time, if the water is more, then you know that sometimes if you go into Rajasthan, the water availability is very less. On the basis of climate, we can understand in the India, if we see that this part of Rajasthan is having 30 to 40 centimeter rainfall, very less rainfall. Therefore, wherever the water is available, the people try to concentrate, there will be compact settlement. Yes, along the water body they try to. But in this region, water is available everywhere. In West Bengal, water is available everywhere. Where you are digging, where you are making tube well, in that region you can have water. So what happened? Society slowly and slowly has developed in the form of dispersed. They do not, they are scattered kind of it. They started what is in this region also, in this region also. But for the safety of their life in Rajasthan, they started concentrating in what is in a compact form. So again I said that it is helping in the understanding climate and climate rainfall, helping understanding the settlement pattern. Yes, population pattern. Yes, and at the same time, climate is if there, rainfall is there, water available is there will be industry. And if industry, then we have to understand also what? Nearby every river, industry is developing. And along the river, in the every parts of the world, in the developed country, and even now in the developing country like India, we started using as a transportation, waterway. So, transportation. There is also what? Transportation network is developing. And where there is because of the climate, good rainfall, good agriculture, what is happening? Population is settling. If the more population, so we have to also distribution of population in the world. Where the population will try to settle? Where the water availability is there. On the geomorphology. So we have to also settlement and population chapter. And then paper 2 also settlement and paper 2 section A in Indian case settlement and population chapter. Understood? And thereafter we can be able to see agriculture geography. And then if the rainfall is there, I said that rainfall try to break the rock, forming the soil. So I said that what I mean is on this earth, geography, whatever it is written, I said that, अच्छा, you tell me, अभी आपने देखा चुम्बी valley, that is in the one news if you are watching, that is in a triangular position of India, that is Sikkim, China and Bhutan. Because of this geographically important, we have to also see geopolitics. So on the Earth's surface,